Here's what you need to know before tasting Sobrii. First, Sobrii is not intended for shots. Sobrii was formulated with a very strong flavor profile, with all natural botanicals and extracts. And we made that profile so strong because we wanted it to come through in a cocktail. So if you were to take a shot of Sobrii by itself, your palate would be overwhelmed by all of the botanicals and spices that exist to give it its flavor in the cocktail. And remember, there is no alcohol in non-alcoholic products, so don't go in with the expectation of having that alcohol burn when you're drinking non-alcoholic spirits. Instead, what you're looking for is a similar flavor profile and mouthfeel to your favorite cocktails. In a gin and tonic, Sobrii Zero Gin gives you those juniper notes that you'd expect in a classic gin. And we've also added some ginseng for a little bit of that mouthfeel. For your favorite tequila cocktails like the margaritas and palomas, our Zero Tequila offers a little bit of spice that you'd expect, along with that agave flavor. So the next time that you try non-alcoholic spirits, don't go in with the expectation that they should taste exactly like their alcoholic counterparts, because they don't. There's no alcohol, and instead we're matching the flavor profile that's actually masked underneath the alcohol. Go ahead and mix Sobrii Zero spirits into your favorite cocktails for all of the fun, but none of the hangover.